Welcome, fellow learners, to Intellimerge, AI and ML Fusion. I'm thrilled to embark on this journey with you as we delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. In this channel, we're not just going to scratch the surface. We're diving deep into the algorithms, the theories, and the practical applications that make AI and ML the driving forces of our future. Whether you're a curious beginner who's just dipping their toes into this vast ocean of knowledge, or an experienced programmer looking to sharpen your skills, Intellimerge is the place where you'll find valuable insights, tutorials, and hands-on projects to fuel your learning journey. But hey, why Intellimerge? Because here, we believe in the fusion of intelligence, the fusion of human creativity with the power of AI and ML. It's not just about understanding the technology, it's about harnessing it to innovate, to solve real-world problems, and to shape a better tomorrow. So whether you're passionate about healthcare, finance, gaming, or simply fascinated by the potential of AI in our daily lives, this channel is for you. In our upcoming videos, we'll cover everything from the basics of Python programming for AI, to advanced neural network architectures, to cutting-edge applications like natural language processing and computer vision. And hey, this isn't a one-way street. I want to hear from you. Your questions, your suggestions, your breakthroughs, they're all welcome here. Because at Intellimerge, we're building a community of passionate learners who uplift and inspire each other. So hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this exhilarating journey into the heart of AI and ML. Together, let's merge our intellects and unlock the boundless possibilities of the future. I'll see you in the next video.